September 21 is International Day of Peace as established by the United Nations General Assembly, a day set aside to promote peace within communities, strengthening the deals of peace and fostering a culture of non-violence and ceasefire across the globe. The day also provides platform for people and communities to contribute towards developing a peaceful society for all. The state commandant, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, David Ojelabi, and his Nigerian Peace Corps counterparts emphasized on the need for collaborative efforts by individuals and groups to attain world peace.
This to exist, all our hands must be on deck. We must realize that no one individual, just like no any nation, no any single agency can do it on its own. We need to join hands together, perform your bits, I perform my part. By the time we put them together, it becomes the whole we are expecting.
Today is set aside for International Peace Day. We all should crave for peace and we should learn to tolerate peace in whatever we do. And for all, we should see it as a day that is set aside for us to focus in harmony and for us to live together in peace.
The Security and Peace Corps experts also spoke on the theme of this year's celebration.
You have been expected to perform in a particular given society as your own action. Like in Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, we have various units and departments that are into prevention of conflicts among ourselves and in the nation as a whole. Not only that, we have it to resolve conflicts using the alternative dispute resolution for people. We have that department in all the states of the Federation, and we have it in Ogun State as well.
The theme for this year is action for peace and ambition for global growth. You understand that when you say action for peace, it's a day set aside that everybody, individually and collectively, should come together and have creativeness about having peace so that our tomorrow can be better taken care of.
Believing that no alternative to peace, stakeholders suggest a non-violent and harmonious world through collaborative efforts. In Ijebu-Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.